Have you ever felt an unexplained tightness in your chest, a persistent ache in your shoulders, or a gut feeling that just won't go away? What if I tell you that your body is trying to speak to you, holding on to your emotional wounds and past experiences that you may not even consciously remember? Unresolved trauma isn't just stored in the mind. It imprints itself into the muscles, into the nervous system, the energy fields around us, and unless we consciously release it, it can manifest as anxiety, chronic pain, emotional outbursts, even feeling illness all the time. In this video, we are going to dive into the hidden signs that your body is storing trauma and, more importantly, how you can release it for the good. Stick with me until the end because I'll also be sharing some powerful techniques to free yourself from this emotional baggage and reclaim your energy. Now first understand how trauma gets stored into the body. Trauma isn't just something that happens to us. It's something that stays with us when we don't fully process it. When we go through some emotional distress in life, some event, our bodies go into the survival mode, activating the flight and freeze response. If the trauma isn't processed, it gets stored into the body, showing up as tension in muscles, especially the jawline, the neck, shoulders, lower back, digestion issues since the gut is highly connected to our emotions, chronic fatigueness, the body using energy to suppress emotions, the unexplained anxiety, even when there is no immediate threat, you are under it. And last but not the least, the numbness in you. It works as a defense mechanism from the body. So these aren't just random physical systems, they are the signals that your body is undergoing the unresolved emotions and really needs attention. Now let's understand 7 signs your body is storing the trauma. Number 1, you experience unexplained aches and pains. Trauma manifests as chronic pains, especially in areas like lower back, hip, shoulders. These areas hold stress, suppressed emotions over time. Number 2, you feel constantly on the edge, overreactive all the time. Do you overreact to small things or feel easily triggered? This could be your nervous system still stuck in the fight and the flight mode from your past traumas. Number 3, you struggle with deep breathing or tightness in your chest. Emotional traumas can restrict your breathing pattern. Sometimes you can feel that you're not able to breathe because you're crying, because you're not able to process. Number 4, you hold tension in specific areas. Now notice the clench that you feel in your jaw, in your neck, in your shoulders, even sometimes your fist. Your body is holding on to the suppressed stress. Number 5, you experience digestion issues. The gut and the brain are deeply connected with each other. Stress and trauma can lead to bloating, IBS, stomach pain, and whatnot. Number 6, you avoid certain emotions or memories. Do you numb yourself with distractions, food, social media? Avoidance is a sign of unprocessed emotions lurking beneath the surface. Number 7, you feel disconnected from your body or emotions. You feel disconnected from your body or emotions. These are clear signs that the pain from your past in this life and your past life are still holding in some parts of your body because of which you're feeling the same. Now, let's understand how to release these traumas. Number 1, breath work for emotional release. Conscious breathing techniques like deep belly breathings can really help you release the stored energy and reset your nervous system. Number 2, body movements and somatic healings. Practices like yoga, dance can really help you release the stored trauma in your muscles. Number 3, journaling and expressing writing. Writing down your emotions, past experiences, or even letter to your past life can help you understand the stuck energy in your life. Number 4, EFT. Emotional freedom technique. Genetically tapping onto specific points with acknowledging emotions can help you clear that emotional blockages and reset your energy flow. Number 5, energy healing and Akashic records. Sometimes trauma isn't just from this life, it is carried forward from your past life and sometimes your ancestral patterns. This is where Akashic record reading can give you deeper insights, rescuing you from the pain, karmic wounds, and the reoccurring themes of your life. If you're struggling struggling with your repeated emotional patterns, an Akashic record reading can be a rescue mode, can help you uncover the root cause, giving you clarity on why you feel stuck and how to finally move forward. Now let's understand when to seek a professional help. While these techniques are powerful, sometimes professional guidance is needed. Working with a trauma-informed therapist, body workers, and Akashic record readers can help you understand how to process your trauma, how to break free from the repeated emotional patterns, how to identify the deep-seated emotional wounds. I invite you to book a personalized Akashic record session with me. This is an opportunity to uncover the deep layers of your soul journey and heal the root cause. Your body is always speaking to you. It holds your history, your emotions, and heal you. The good news is that you don't have to stay stuck. By acknowledging these signs, releasing traumas, you can move forward with clarity, peace, and freedom. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe, and comment below. What is that one thing that you are noticing in your body and your body is holding it as a stress and emotions? Let's create a space for healing together. Book your Akashic record reading session now. The link is given in the description box. You can directly book your reading from www.sanskritiseti.com, or you can hop on to our WhatsApp number +919634003939. Until next time, take care of yourself. You're worthy of healing.